Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, you should hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off, and repair apps. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.